Hello everyone, welcome back to the Doers YouTube channel. So today we are here with another. Let's start today's class. The passage. The passages. India is a land of pilgrims and pilgrimages. So India is a land which is of pilgrims and pilgrimages. So here, what is the meaning of pilgrims and pilgrimages? So pilgrims means a person who journeys to a sacred place for a religious reason. So, pilgrims means a person who journeys to a religious place or sacred place for religious reasons. And what is pilgrims? So, pilgrims means pilgrimages means a pilgrim's journey. So, pilgrims means person who journeys to a sacred place, and pilgrimage means that pilgrim's journey. Next, these holy places, whether is the hill in the hills or in the plains, are generally situated on the river banks or by the sea. So, what is holy place? Holy place means a place which is sacred or revered as holy. So, these holy place means these pilgrimages or holy places are, whether it's situated in hills or plain, are generally situated on river banks or by the sea. So, if you are going to a uh, holy place, you can see that there is that place is situated on the river bank or maybe by the sea. Next, it is not only the religious people who visit these places of pilgrimages, but also travelers and sightseers from all over India and abroad. So here, religious people. So religious people means the person who believes in religion and believes in God. So, uh, not only the religious people who visit the places of pilgrimage, but also travelers and sightseers from all over India and abroad also visit the religious places. So, here, travelers and sightseers. What is the meaning of traveler? Traveler means a person who is traveling or who often travels, and sightseer means a person who goes to sightseeing. And abroad means outside of your own country or other country. Wherever two or more rivers meet, pilgrims come to bathe and worship because that place is supposed to be holy. And the uh, the pilgrims who go to pilgrimages, if there is one or two or more rivers meet, the pilgrims came to bath and worship that place because they think that place is supposed to be holy. Next, one such place is Haridwar, which is situated on the bank of river Ganga. And one such pla- uh, place uh, one such place is Haridwar, which is situated on the bank of river Ganga. So the passage is done. The passage is done. Now we will start the first question is, holy places are visited by religious people, sightseers, and as well as. So holy places are visited by religious people, sightseer, and as well as what kind of people, or uh, by which people? Options are uh, children, travelers, traders, voyagers. Options are children, travelers, traders, voyagers. So the correct answer is option number B, travelers. Holy places are visited by religious people, sightseers, as well as travelers. So option number B is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following is a synonym of the word generally? So in this question, what is the synonym of general? Options are usually, publicly, occasionally, eventually. The synonym of general is usually. or normally? Option number A. In the place is considered holy where two or more river meets. Rivers meet. Here the antonym of what holy is. So, what is the antonym of holy? So at first we have to know the meaning of holy. Holy means which is something which is pure or godly or religious. So in this question asking is what is the antonym of holy? Options are godly, religious, cursed, pious. So the antonym of word holy is cursed. Option number C is the correct answer. And the other remaining options, godly, religious, and pious, are the synonyms of holy. Next question. People come to bathe and worship in the Ganga as its water is. So why people came to bathe and worship in the Ganga? What is the reason they come to bathe and worship the Ganga? Options are holy, because its water is holy, or because its water is clear and clean, or it's cool or healthy. So the correct answer is option number A, holy. People come to bathe and worship in the Ganga as its water is holy. Option number A. Next question. People go on a pilgrimage because they are. So why people go on pilgrimage? What is the reason, or what kind of people go on pilgrimages? So options are curious, religious, explorers, or old. So the correct answer is option number B, religious. So people go on a pilgrimage because they are religious. So the people who believes in religion, God, or who worship gods, they go on pilgrimages. Option number B is the correct answer. So all the questions are done. Now we will see what other questions can ask from this passage. The first question is, India is what kind of a land? First question is, India is what kind of a land? So the answer is India is a land of pilgrims or pilgrimages. Next question. Generally, where are the pilgrims are situated? So the answer is these holy places, whether in the hills or in the plains, are generally situated on river banks or by the sea. Next question. What kind of people, or from where people go to the pilgrimages? Next question. From where or what kind of people visit the places of pilgrimages? So the answer is it is not only the religious people who visit these places of pilgrimages, but also travelers and sightseers from all over India and abroad. Next question. When people go on pilgrimages, which place they bathe and worship? So the answer is wherever two or more rivers meet, pilgrims come to bathe and worship because that place is supposed. Next question. Can you give an example of a pilgrim, or in which or where is the pilgrim situated? So the answer is one such place in Haridwar, which is situated on the bank of river Ganga. So write down these questions which can be asked in your exam. Read these questions carefully. Now we will some words, synonyms, and antonyms. First, Generally. What is synonym and antonym of generally? So the synonym is normally or in general. These are the synonyms of generally. Now, the antonym. So, what are the antonyms of generally? The antonyms are occasionally or particularly. These are the antonyms of generally. Next word is religious. So, the synonyms are full, pious. These are the synonyms of religious. Now, antonyms. Atheistic means doesn't believe in religion or God. These are the antonyms of religion. Next word is abroad. Are out of country. These are the synonyms of abroad. Now the antonyms. Antonyms are mistake, national. These are the antonyms of abroad. Next word is holy. Synonyms are sacred, synonyms of holy. Now the antonym. Unsanctified, cursed. These are the antonyms of holy. Write down these synonyms and antonyms of these words. So this is it for today's class. Hope you like this class. If you like our class, then like, share, subscribe to the Doers for It channel. And if you want to join us and want to purchase our online course, then contact us in the gift. Our Doers for It Academy app is also available in the Play Store. If you join us, then you will get in this app live classes, free mock tests, and recorded classes. If you are interested, then do contact us in the given number. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.